Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome to SK Technologies. So in this video, I will explain you a very simple but very important topic. So copying a file. So it's a very fundamental thing. Even in the Windows also, so many ways to copy a file from one place to another place. So in the Linux, everything we can be done by commands, right? So the command is very simple. Just cp. Cp is a copying command. So cp, then source file and destination. So it's very simple command, but there are various methods are there. I mean, there are various situations are there. So how you are copying from where to where you are copying. Okay. So many scenarios are there. So I will try to explain you. So command is very simple, like cp, then your source file. So whatever you want to copy, then you have to specify the destination. So here, based on the destination, okay, the scenarios will be normally copying a file, copy a file within the location, within the same directory. Okay, the same directory within the location, you are copying. This is the first scenario, and copy a file, copy a file, different location. Okay, so different location, but make sure guys, but same server. So you are copying a file from root directory to tmp directory. You are copying a file from your home directory to slash opt directory or slash tmp directory or slash var directory. So somewhere, but within the same server, within the server. Okay, so copying a file, okay, within the same location is the first scenario. It's very simple. And the second scenario is copy a file different location, but make sure guys in the same server. So within the server, but a different location. Okay, so this is the second scenario. Now third one is very important. Again we are copying a file. Okay, so different server this time. Okay, so different server, but same operating system, like Unix kind of operating systems. So this will work in a Unix organization. Flavors are there, right? Four flavors: Linux, AX, Solaris, HP, Unix. So it will work on the same. So now the third scenario is copying a file from one server to another server. But make sure guys, the both servers should be having same operating systems, same operating system flavors, like Unix, Linux. Server 1 having Linux, server 2 should be having Linux, either Linux or other Unix flavors also, AX. Okay, so this is the third scenario. Fine. Then fourth one is this is also very important. So frequently we are working on this. So copy a file. Okay, obviously different server. Okay, so different server, also different OS, like from Linux to Windows operating system, from Linux to Mac operating system. So these are the scenarios, guys. So somebody, if you ask so how to copy a file, you have to explain all these scenarios. So in which scenario you want to copy? In case, so simply they will ask questions, right? How to copy a file? So you have to explain clearly. So these are the scenarios. If you want to copy a file, you can go with a single, I mean, within the location, you can go with this command or different location. Okay, so you can go with this command and copying from a file from completely different server. Then this is the scenario. Okay, so technically I will explain each and everything in all these scenarios. So each scenario should be having the different commands, right? So definitely technically I will explain with step by step, but you have to explain these all scenarios, then only you will get impression during the interviews. Okay, so out of these, first two are very simple, just one single command. But the second two, three and four are, so you have to do some configurations that we will discuss slowly. Okay, so these are the scenarios. So especially the copying a file is a very little bit interesting. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. So in the next video, so we will see technically how we have to copy a file from one place to another place, one place to same place, one server to another server, one server to another server, and a different OS. So all the things we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.